Gama! Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I will be showing you how to make this cute face mask. This is the logo of the famous anime One Piece. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell and kindly leave a comment. A quick look for our materials. These are Monaco acrylic brands of yarn. So I used 5 colors: dark blue, white, yellow, black, and red. Then 4.0 millimeter hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle. Let's begin our project with a slip knot. And then after that, make 35 total of chains. So 35. So after reaching 35th chains, make another 2 chains, and then from the hook, count 3 stitches. Count 3 stitches, and then on the 3rd stitch from the hook, insert your hook and then make single crochet. On the first 9 stitches, make a single crochet all throughout until you reach 9 stitches. Okay, so this is the 9th stitch, single crochet each stitch. And then on the 10th stitch, make half double crochet. Count 17 stitches for half double crochet. Okay, that is how it looks like. Just continue half double crochet. 1 half double crochet in each 17 stitches. Just continue what you're doing, and then we're done with the half double crochet. Let's count 9 stitches and then make single crochet in each 9 stitches all the way around until you reach the end of the face mask. And then when you reach the end, that is how it looks like. Make a single crochet, and now make a chain, then another single crochet for 9 stitches, and then continue half double crochet on the 10th stitch. Okay, this is how it looks like when you reach 20 rounds of single crochet, half double crochet, and another single crochet. Next thing to do is to make 25 chains for para sa string na ikakabit natin sa ating ear. Okay, 25 chains. After that, slip knot on the other side of the face mask to lock our project, and then chain 1, then cut the yarn to secure. Grab your yarn needle and then sew the excess yarn. Sew the excess yarn. So, kailangan natin tanggalin para ganito siya. Magiging neat and very clean. Okay, for our logo, make a magic ring, and then in the magic ring, make 14 total of double crochet. This is the first round of our logo. 14 double crochet in the magic ring. To make it round, after doing the 14th double crochet, you have to pull the string and then slip knot to the chain. And then next is chain 2, make a double crochet in the space next to the chain, on the next space make 2 double crochets, and then repeat the process until you reach the chain that we have made. So 2 double crochet, then for 1 double crochet in the next. So once we're done, let's count the double crochets. The total double crochet that we made is 24 double crochets, and then slip knot to finish this round. Okay. For Luffy's hat, make a single magic ring, then chain 1, make 1 half double crochet, then 1 double crochet, then next make 10 triple crochet. So total 10, 2, 3, 4. So sa logo, dito ako na tagalan maggawa kasi very tiny. There are things na very tiny, and then dito pa nabali yung ano ko. Dito nabali yung hook ko. Ayan. 10 triple crochets, and then after that make 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, then chain single crochet, and then pull, then cut, then pull through. This will be the hat of double crochet. Yan. Ay, hat of Luffy pala. Hat of double crochet. To complete the hat, make a slip knot, and then chain 14 total of chains. So, isukat natin. So, 14 siya. Then in the third stitch, make single crochet all through the beginning of our slip knot. So, ito yung magkukumpleto sa hat ni Luffy sa logo ng One Piece. Ayan. Okay. Maging ganyan siya. Tapos, lagyan natin ng red na yarn. Kasi may accent na red yung hat ni Luffy. Yung sombrero ni Luffy. Ayan. Ganyan siya. So, this is to complete our sombrero. Okay, count tayo ng dalawang stitch. On the third stitch, insert the yarn, red yarn, and then make single chain 1, then single crochet. Okay, make single crochet, leave the 2 spaces and then cut. Okay, that is how it looks like. Grab our yarn needle to secure it. Okay, this is for our eyes. And then make the magic ring, chain 1, then make single crochet on the magic ring. So there will be 6 single crochet in the magic ring, and then after doing the 6 single crochet, pull the string, then slip knot to lock or to secure our project, to make it a circle. So make a fan. Alright, so this would be our, okay, this is how we do it, the bone of our logo. And it changed my crochet hook, since my crochet hook has been destroyed. So slip knot and then chain 14 chains. Okay, at the end of 14 chain, okay, at the end of 14 chain, chain 2, then from the hook count 3 chains, and then half double crochet in the 3rd chain. Make 4 half double crochet in the 3rd chain. 2, 3, 4, and then single crochet on the next chain or the next stitch, and then all the way through the end of our bone. Okay, so we met at the end, and then at the end of the chain, same process, make a 4 half double crochet, and then after making half double crochet, slip knot, and then again on the same stitch, make again 4 half double crochet. Okay, 2, 3, and 4. Then in the next stitch, okay, that is how it looks like. At the next stitch, single crochet all the way around all throughout until you reach the other side, and make completely the bone of our logo. So we are done making all the necessary attachment. So let us make this quick. Let's attach all the parts of our logo. Okay, this is for the mouth. Count 4 stitches, and then the fourth stitch, or in the fourth loop, let's attach another. But this is for the mouth. Chain 1, secure the string so that it will not unravel. Chain, another chain, another chain, and then make double crochet in the same space. Okay, next make double crochet in the next 3 stitches, next 4 stitches, and then on the last loop make 2 double crochets. Okay, this is how it looks like. And then on the other side, chain 1 and then single crochet on the first stitch until you reach the last stitch. Okay, so this will be the mouth of our logo. And then on the last double crochet, slip knot to okay, so now let's make the tooth or the teeth of our logo. Just follow the tutorial. Okay, that is how you do it. This part is very easy because you only have to sew using your yarn needle and a yarn. Okay, so that is how you do it. Just continue. Ta-da! We are done with our face mask. Hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial, and then please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell below. Please give me a big thumbs up, and then kindly leave a comment. So, see you on my next video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye!